CT718 Compost Turner. The CT718 Compost Turner sets new standards for efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been reached, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display alongside an rear view cameras, plus the main frame with a lower machine height for better transportability. Rock-Saw trenchers. Rock-Saw trenchers for fiber optic, electric cable, and small pipelines. Conceived for the toughest condition and specially designed for excavation of cables duct, Rock-Saw trenchers ensure high productivity to cut very hard soil and concrete. Tesmec Rock-Saw trenchers are suitable for narrow and deep cut, ideal to ditch material volume. Some models can be equipped with an automatic cable laying system and an integrated backfilling system for fiber optic networks. Electric cable projects in small diameter pipelines. Tesmec Rock-Saw trenchers can be used in an urban and extra-urban context and can even work in extreme environmental conditions. VCS5400 chip spreader machine used in a surface coating. It is both a distributor and aggregate laying machine. Aggregate is loaded in an aggregate hopper hand. In surface coating, aggregates are laid on the road. In the meantime, bitumen is laid on the road from the distributor tank in front of the aggregate hopper. The low investment, maintenance, and repair cost of Wimpo VCCS series combi chip spreader machine. The low number of personnel and labor force provides great economy to the user. As a higher quality paving process is performed, a safer and a longer lasting road construction is ensured. Wimpo combi chip spreader machine, which paves the bond more strongly, is a hybrid vehicle that performs bituminous surface and aggregate spreading at the same time. 645. The reach taker LRS 645 from Liber is designed to lift containers as heavy as 45 metric tons into a highest of 6 containers in the first row. In addition, in 4 high by 3 wide block stacks, the LRS 645 can remove the top container in the sound row without the first removing of the top one in the first row. Catch badge AS. Weedy curbs need to clean regularly. With K badge AS, you can do this job extremely simply and quickly. Look, you can see how effective it is. What do you think about this machine?